Every dream begins with a single step. For me, that step was leaving my home in India and flying to Taiwan to join NCKU College of Medicine. This moment was surreal. I had worked so hard to get here, and now I was standing at the gate of my dream, National Chengkung University. Every day begins here in my dorm, a space that feels like my second home. Stepping out into the vibrant campus is like stepping into the world of possibilities. Every campus has its traditions and superstitions, and NCKU is no exception. This statue is famous not just for its beauty, but for the belief that passing in between might delay your graduation. This is Banyan Garden, a place of tranquility and inspiration. To me, it symbolizes resilience, a reminder that while life changes around us, we must stay rooted in who we are. This serene lake is one of my favorite spots on campus. It's home to some of my closest friends, the tortoise and the ducks, who float by so gracefully. And here it is, the NCKU College of Medicine. This place represents more than just a building. It's a gateway to my dream, where innovation meets tradition and where I get to be part of something extraordinary. My journey here isn't about attending class. It's about hands-on learning and pushing the boundaries of what I know. Today's agenda is packed. SDS page loading, cell culture, and Western blot analysis. SDS page is like an artist's canvas, separating proteins to reveal their unique patterns. In the cell culture room, it's all about precision and care. Keeping these cells healthy is the foundation of every experiment. And finally, Western blot analysis, where every band tells a story of discovery, validation, and progress. Lunch breaks are not just about food, but finding something that feels like home. I started on the fourth floor, hoping for something that would remind me of onion spices. Sometimes the taste we crave isn't there, so I made my way to the basement canteen because persistence is the key, even in small things like lunch. And there it was, a simple but satisfying meal, reminding me that sometimes the best things are just a little extra effort away. Back to here of learning molecular biology. Today's lecture brings us closer to understanding the building blocks of life. Every day at NCKU feels like a step closer to my goals. And in a class like this, I can feel the knowledge coming to life. Molecules dancing, genes expressing, and the world's becoming a bit cleaner. With exams approaching, it's time to immerse myself in molecular biology. This library is where I find peace and focus to truly understand these complex subjects. To anyone out there chasing a dream, let my story remind you it's worth it. This is my day at NCKU College of Medicine. What will your looks like?